Hey everybody, my name is Niku and welcome to another trading video. Today we're going to trade using a simple strategy and I want to show you what is possible using basic technical analysis and just one indicator. You'll see how easy it actually is to start trading. Now I know there's a lot of conflicting information. Some people say you need to study for a very long time before you can understand anything, while others believe you need to jump right in and learn from your mistakes. The truth lies somewhere in between, but finding it isn't always easy. That's why I created a Telegram group to provide an extra space for communication. It is completely free and open to everyone, including beginners. You can join by clicking the link in the description below. So even if you are a beginner, join the group and trade alongside with me. I created this space to help traders gain confidence and to learn to feel the rhythm of the market. Okay, so before we start trading, we need to set up our platform for the strategy. Today we're going to trade with $100. It's a good amount to demonstrate the strategy with, and we're also going to change our candle time frame to 30 seconds. And after that we're going to change our expiration time to 2 minutes. These are the optimal settings for this specific strategy. After that we're going to add the stochastic oscillator to our charts. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look for areas where the stochastic oscillator has been in oversold or overbought areas, and then when it comes back out of it, we're just going to take a trade in the direction of that trade. Of the move. We're also going to we're only going to look for assets that's got high payouts to maximize our returns. We won't be taking trades on anything that's like 30, 50 or 60% payouts. So this is the way we've set up now, and now we just need to go look for some trades. Okay, so here's a trade setup that falls within the parameters of our strategy. Stochastic has started moving out of the oversold area and started heading upwards, and we're just going to place a trade in that direction. So it's a 2-minute expiry trade. Now we just need to wait for the timer to run out and our trade to finish. We're about halfway through the trade. Got 1 minute left, and we'll just be patient and wait for the timer to finish running out. 45 seconds left. We're almost done. And there we go. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to change my trade size to $15. And then I'm just going to go look for the next entry. Okay, so here is another asset that is fulfilling the requirements of our strategy. And as soon as this candle closes, I'll be placing a $15 buy because the stochastic is now coming out of the oversold area. We just need to wait for the candle to finish, and then we'll just take a trade in the direction of the current price move. If price keeps going down though, the stochastic will be pulled downwards. No, it didn't, so let's go in a buy direction because the stochastic has been in the oversold position for quite some time now, and it's just moved out of it and started going upwards, and that's why we're just placing a trade in the direction that price is moving. So again, we're just going to wait 2 minutes for this expiry to run out, and then we'll see what happens with the trade. It's moving very nicely in our favor. We're about halfway through the trade, and this just keeps on climbing, which is gorgeous. 30 seconds left on this trade. 15 seconds. This is looking really good. There we go. So next I'm going to put my trade size up to 20, and we're going to do this again. We're just going to search and we're going to look for some new assets that fulfills the parameters of our strategy, and we're going to be patient and wait for new trades. Okay, and another asset fulfilling the parameters of our strategy. We're just going to wait for the candle to close, and once it does, okay, so it did, the stochastic started leaving the overbought area and started moving down, and I just placed a $20 trade in the direction that price is moving. So again, we're just going to wait. It's a 2-minute expiry, so we need to wait for the timer to run out to see what happens with our trade. Almost halfway in. We've got just under a minute left on this expiry, and let's see what happens with this. 30 seconds left on this, 2 candles, and starting to look good. It looks like we're heading down. We're making new lows. Absolutely. There we go. But as they say, it's not over until the fat lady sings. We'll just wait it out. 10 seconds left on this trade, and we'll see what happens. There we go. Good trade. Like this video if you found the strategy useful, or drop a comment if you tried it out. And of course, share your results. Once you master consistency, you'll gain confidence, and that's when trading really starts working for you. This is exactly what I teach in my private pro group. Just send me a message on Telegram and request access. It is completely free. Just send me a message and I'll ask you a few basic questions to understand your goals and how I can help. Don't just sit there struggling alone. Surround yourself with like-minded traders and mentors. I'm here to help with that. I also need you to understand that trading takes time and dedication. There's no point in joining the group and doing nothing. I want you to actively engage in the content, trade with the community, and truly absorb everything we share. Click the link below or message me directly, whatever works for you. I'll be waiting. And if you want to continue watching my videos on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Good luck and may the pips be with you.